So we are getting settled into our Newport home, and I've picked up a few free furniture items. One is a set of these old beat up cane chairs. There's a reason they were free. They don't have very much life left in them, so I'm gonna go ahead and sand them and hit them with some acrylic paint. I got this to make it easier because I'm also going to be doing a side table and dresser project. So this is from Harbor Freight, Central Pneumatic detail spray gun. And feel free to follow along with my process and let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Alright, a bit of an unboxing here. So here's the basic rules of engagement. First thing you're going to need is to get this part that it doesn't come with. That's so you can attach a hose to it, otherwise you're out of luck. You are going to attach this cup right here, and you have to do that before you fill it up, which is why it's advisable that you get one of those little stands to go with it. And then you don't want to tip the spray gun in either direction. You want to hold it upright as you're filling it, and then you'll connect the air at the very end, and you'll want to make sure that your output on your compressor is no more than 20 to 50 psi. So make sure that you have that set on your air compressor, or you have some sort of regulator for that. Alright, so now that I've finished the chair, oh my gosh, my nose is so red. Okay, so the cup is going to come off. This is washable, so just take this inside to the sink, whatever. This here, you can see where the paint has gone in. You need to make sure that you buy the paint spray cleaner that goes with this. It's in an aerosol can. You're going to stick it in there. You're still attached to the air right now, so you're going to just spray it through. It warns you if it dries, it'll ruin the spray gun. So make sure you do that promptly after you're done with your project.